Good morning, it is Clay Trader. I'm going to try to catch some live trades here, so I will keep you updated. Right now looking at NEWL. Market opens up here in a couple minutes, so I will keep you updated. Okay, I'm going for some shares here of CIEN at 21.85. And now it's back up there. So let's see if I can get filled here. I will also be, the market just opened, so I'll be scanning around looking for some other stocks too. Looking to go short here at 22.20 on CIEN, so I'm no longer trying to go. So I'm in. Look to try to cover here at 22.13, and I'm out. I did 1,200 shares, so that was $84 in a very quick amount of time. Let's see if I can catch some more. Looking to pick up some shares here at 21.75, and I did get those. As you can tell, happened very quickly. So I'll look to sell those at 21.80. And looking like I may need to pick up some more shares here. So let's see, I got in at 75. I will just accept that that wasn't the best entry and look to sell. Probably not quite at 80, but we'll see if I can get a bounce here. Okay, seems to be stalling out, so I'll take, well, I got 8 there, I guess. So got out at 21.78 for my 1,000, so just made a quick $30 there. Like I said, as you saw in level 2s, it's kind of stalling around 80. May get back above it, but just stalling. So let's see if I can pick up seeming to try to find some support around. How low did it go there? 62. So I'll try to pick some up at 63 if it wants to go back down there. Again, that was support before, but also going in with a idea and mindset of that might not hold, so it may pull back some more. But if it doesn't, this would be basically the third red candle in a row, so it would be getting down to that state of being pretty overextended. So let's see what happens here with it if it can get down there. I will keep you updated. Okay, going for some shares here of BMY at 46. I'm filled. 55. We'll look to sell those at 60. You can see here, just mass chaos, and looking like I'll need to possibly buy some more, but there's a lot of volatility right now. But so let's see if I can pick some more up at 35. Where did my first entry in at? Wait, am I out? I'm out. Okay, I totally missed that. That talk about happening super fast. All right, so I am already out of that. How low did it actually go there? 30. So yeah, I'd gladly pick up some more at 35 and try to do this all over again. But yeah, I didn't even see myself get out, so not quite sure what happened there. So let's see if I can get those at 35. Actually, what was the lowest it went? 30. So let me change that to 30. And if it wants to hit those lows again and start all over, and that's a great point to at least start to build a position. So I will keep you posted if it looks like it's going to get back down there. But yeah, I guess when it's volatile like this, sometimes you can get filled and not even know it. So all right, here we go. I'd like to see it get hit on this candle. If a new candle starts to form, then I'll probably cancel and just look for another spot. But if it can come down here on the same exact candle, that would be an ideal situation. So I will keep you updated. Right now I have an order in down at 109.08. This is based off of Fibonacci extensions, the projected area where this next move may find some support. So I'll look to try to play a bounce down there if it gets down there. You can see here I traded Twitter a little bit for $40, but it was actually 2 separate trades. I was just more testing something out, so I didn't figure it out. Not going to record it just because it wasn't quite undisciplined trading, just because I had a plan, but it was more so just a testing type thing too. So it was very low risk type stuff. You can see here I just got a little 2-cent gain. But I was just, like I said, testing something out. Not going to try to explain anything now. That's not the point of this video, but that's why I didn't record those. But just, a typical slow summer morning, not much moving around, but still out there looking. So I will keep you updated if it looks like it is going to pull down here and hit me at or what is this? 119.08. Going for some shares here of Triple D at 48.25. Very low risk. I'm not looking to score big at all, but it's in such an overextended state that I think I can play it for a few little bounces here. So it's not like I probably won't even go for a $50 scalp. Not maybe 30, 40. I guess maybe 50, but I'm only doing 500 shares because this is it's not quite as liquid as a Facebook, for example. So I got to keep my position size smart, especially when it really is a nasty little downtrend here. But like I said, very overextended. I'm not going to count, but you can see red candle after red candle after red candle. I mean, there's got to be a green one coming at some point. So that's what I'm banking on, and that's why I'm willing to start to accumulate some shares on the pullback. But I'm not willing to start building a position until the 48.25 area. So let's see if it can get down there. I will keep you updated. And there the green candle is that I figured would be needing to form at some point. So no longer willing, because it's taking its deep breath now, so I don't want to buy into anymore because it's not really overextended anymore. It's taking its breath, and it's no longer extremely overextended, so I am no longer interested in it. So I will move on and try to find something else. Okay, I picked up some shares of UNXL at 7.85. Now looking to sell at 7.90, but nobody is taking my offer right now. So, like I said, I have my order in up there. Just buying this pullback here after this, you can see a very nice and very strong move. So what I'm banking on is something like this possibly happening where it pulls back and then, heads back up. But, that was my rationale. So we'll see how it plays out. I will keep you updated. And sorry about that, literally got filled in a blink of an eye. It wasn't even close to being on the best offer. Then all of a sudden, the best offer was at 7.92. So it took me in the blink of an eye. So missed out on that. Sorry about that, but literally nothing I could have done about that one. But I mean, if anything, that's why I love charts and candlesticks. You can clearly see the trend is up. Good history here of it pulling back. So it's pulling back again right now. So maybe I'll try to scalp in this again. We will see. But now I'll try to catch one more trade. We're not even close to 10 minutes yet. Have order in at 7.65. Again, same logic, just trying to buy this pullback here. And if it wants to pull back some more, it's a lower price stock, so I have plenty of capital if I need to build a bigger size position in it. So we'll see if it can get down to that 7.65 area. It's based off of this moving average. You can see multiple times the price has come up off of it. So we will see what happens with it. Looking to go short here at 63.39 on Facebook if it can get up into these moving averages. But also see that CIEN, the first one I started, just went to new highs. So going to go check out that one, maybe try to figure out another trade on that. Well, I'm just going to wrap this up. We're at 8 minutes, so I'll try to keep this one on the shorter side. But nothing too dramatic in today's session, but I'll take it. $250 about an hour into the day. So it is what it is, nothing special, but given it's summertime, kind of just got to take whatever the market's willing to give you. If you're curious and want to learn how to trade like this, meaning using charts, and the beautiful thing about charts is whether you're looking to sell within a few minutes like I am or looking to sell within a few days or weeks, charts apply to any time frame. So candlestick charts, level 2s, if you're interested in learning how to use them, I offer courses on that at claytrader.com, my blog. Also have a trading group. You can hang out with me in a chat room. I send out a weekly newsletter with my scans and just all sorts of good stuff going on, all very fairly priced. But at the end of the day, don't take my word for it. Just read some of the testimonials, and hopefully that'll help give you a good third-party perspective. So thank you again for listening. Hopefully you learned something.